2. Dynamic models. Dynamic models of inventory control refers to the model which are not static. Cost of ordering and inventory carrying cost play an important role in dynamic model. Models are of two types: deterministic, probabilistic. Deterministic, these models are based on price. Deterministic model are further of two types: 1. Purchased inventory models. 2. Production inventory models. Types of dynamic model. 1. Deterministic model. 2. Probabilistic model. Deterministic model is further of two types: A. Purchased inventory model. B. Production model. Types of purchased inventory model. 1. Fixed price purchased model. 2. Quantity discount purchase model. Deterministic models. 1. Purchased inventory models. Fixed price purchased inventory model. This model is based on following assumptions. The demand of item occurs uniformly over a period at known rate. The replenishment of stock is instantaneous. The price per unit is fixed. The order size are independent. The cost to place an order and process the delivery is fixed and does not vary with the lot size. The inventory carrying cost vary directly with the size of inventory. Mathematical treatment of model. Generally, we find out economic order quantity under this method. Economic order quantity is technique of determining that quantity where two set of costs are minimum or equated. Economic order quantity involve two types of cost: procurement cost and inventory carrying cost. EOQ equals square root 2 times annual consumption times procurement cost divided by price times carrying cost. 2. Purchased inventory with quantity discount model. Sometimes discount is offered for the bulk purchase or when the size of single order is large. In general, lower prices go today if orders are of big size. Benefits of discount to the purchaser: lower cost per unit, reduction in ordering cost, reduction in transportation cost etc. To avail the advantages of discount, the average inventory level increase and thus the inventory carrying cost also increase. A decision is finally taken whether to stick with the economic order quantity or increase the same to take advantages of quantity discount. The procedure for determining how much to order when discount allowed is as follows. Calculate economic order quantity at discounted rate. Compare economic order quantity at discounted price with price break quantity. If economic quantity at discounted price is greater than or equal to price break quantity, order the quantity. If economic order quantity at discounted price is less than price break quantity, compute economic order quantity at basic price. Now calculate annual total cost at price break quantity and economic order quantity at basic price. If annual total cost and price break quantity is less than annual total cost at economic order quantity at basic price, select price break quantity and vice versa. 2. Production inventory models. Single product production inventory model. Instead of purchasing parts, company goes in for manufacturing these parts. Those parts are manufactured at company's own plant from basic raw material. Here also economic order quantity formula can be applied but with some modifications. Advantages of making parts at own plant. Company's own plant is only source of supply for these items. Proper utilization of facilities. Features of single product inventory model. Parts are made on company's own plant. Utilization of facilities is greatly influenced by inventory planning of these items. Constraints or interacting factors are in this case are much more complex. Setup costs are much higher than ordering cost for purchased items. There are two types of this model. 1. Economic lot size when stock replenishment is instantaneous. 2. Economic lot size when stock replenishment is gradual. 1. Economic lot size when stock replenishment is instantaneous. Under the system, the required item is manufactured and handed over to the store from where it is issued to the assembly line as per the requirement. Assumptions of the model: the item is consumed at the known demand rate, which is constant. The cost to set up machine or group of machines and order writing is fixed and does not vary with the lot size. The inventory carrying charges vary directly as a percentage of inventory investment. The production rate is infinite. The items can be manufactured in the desired quantity free from restrictions of any kind. 2. Economic lot size. When stock replenishment is gradual, it is used when production batches take considerable time to complete. Therefore, the producer do not wait for entire quantity to get completed but buy to meet the demand when the batch is being processed. Assumptions of the model: the item is consumed at known rate which is constant. Cost to set up a machine or groups of machine and order writing is fixed and does not vary with the lot size. The inventory carrying charges vary directly as a percentage of average inventory investment. The inventory does not increase by quantity on the shop order but rather gradually at a rate PD, or XY, where P is production rate and D is demand rate. The item can be manufactured in desired quantity free from restrictions of any kind. Multiple products production inventory model. This model is applied when company manufacture more than one product and stocked in store is finished product awaiting for early shipment. The goods under mass production are manufactured either in a single operation or in a series of operations more than one machines. The most common example of this kinds are our automobiles, fridges, audio and video sets, TV sets etc.